Boost your plants with the quick and easy Epsom Salt fertilizer, perfect for tomatoes and peppers. Here's what you need: a gallon of water and 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Step 1. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt into a gallon of water. Step 2. Stir well until the Epsom salt completely dissolves. Use the solution directly around the base of your plants or spray it on the leaves. This Epsom salt fertilizer helps with leaf greening, flowering, and root development. Try this simple Epsom salt fertilizer for healthier, happier plants. Fish emulsion fertilizer is packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, ideal for leafy greens. To make fish emulsion, you'll need fresh fish scraps and water. Step 1. Place fish scraps in a 5-gallon bucket and add enough water to cover them. Step 2. Loosely cover the bucket and let it ferment for 2 weeks, stirring occasionally. After 2 weeks, strain the mixture to remove any solids, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Dilute 1 part of fish emulsion with 5 parts water before using it on your plants. Apply this powerful fertilizer to your outdoor plants for a nutrient boost. Always remember that fish emulsion has a strong smell, so it's best used outdoors. Looking to boost your plants naturally? Try making stinging nettle tea fertilizer. Stinging nettles are packed with iron, potassium, and nitrogen, perfect for healthy foliage and plant growth. Safety first. Wear gloves when handling stinging nettles to avoid stings. You'll need a handful of stinging nettles, a 5-gallon bucket, and water. Cut the nettles into smaller pieces and place them in the 5-gallon bucket. Add water to cover the nettles completely. Let it steep for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring every few days to release nutrients. Once ready, strain out the nettles to separate the tea. Dilute the tea, 1 part nettle tea to 10 parts water. Your nettle tea fertilizer is ready. Use it on your plants for a nutrient boost.